So, we are in Hotel Ordinary for our hotel here in Bangkok in the next 7 days. So, we're just resting. So, yan si guys, ang gamit niya. And then, we're living in a while. Going to Platinum Mall. So, kind of window shopping and shop na din. Kasama si Cheska. And then, magme-merienda na din kami. And then, for dinner, we'll go to One Rachada. One Rachada ba yun? One Rachada. For dinner. I'm gonna change. Papalit lang kami and freshen up and then alas na din kami in a while. On the way to Platinum, so we'll go there. Platinum first mall for Bangkok trip. So, saan tayo tatawid lang? May PNR dito. So, parang Manila area to. Espanya.
Sa Blue Paris kami.
So, tatawid na kami! Run! So, parang it's 14 minutes walk lang from our hotel, yung Platinum Mall. So, it's very accessible. So, siya yung nagna-navigate kasi hindi ako navigator. Mawawala kami pareho kapag ako yung nag-navigate. So, see you there! So, we're here at Platinum Mall. Magme-merienda muna kami. Punta kami ng food court. Kasi gutom na ako. Tapos we'll go shopping. We'll wait. Hintayin namin. We'll wait for Cheska and James.
Tara, food court.
So, bago kami mag-shopping.
Pati yung center nila pang 160.
Puro mo to 160. So, yeah.
Ito nung namin dito.
Kita namin yung mga budol namin sa inyo after purpose of ice. Bye! So, we're here at the food court in Platinum Mall. Kakain muna kami for merienda. So, we're looking for the Michelin star. Let's go! So, saan tayo punta? Central World. Shopping or shopping?
Traffic sa Novaliches.
So, dami na naming daming. Yung dalawa, wala pa. So, let's see sino mabubudol sa Central World. Let's go! Uwian time! Mga pagod. Pagod.
85.
Pagod, taga-bit-bit. Ito din, pagod.
Very local.
Financer.
Good morning. It's our day 4, but it's our day 2 of shopping. So we're going to Pratunam, Platinum, MBK, Siam Square, Siam Paragon. So, late na kami ni Gab kasi sila Cheska na una na. Usapan namin, nakita kami 7. Hindi namin narinig ang alarm namin. Yeah, we'll take you with us today. So, hindi ko lang si Gab kasi nakalaman na yung siya ng mga.
Paikot.
So, we're going to Siam Paragon. Sobrang init. Tadi ka? 7-Eleven. So, we're here at 7-Eleven. So, nagutom kami. Nag-order kami ng McDo. Pero, yung Grab, walang mahanap na driver. So, at 10:30 na. So, sabi namin, sige, papalay sa naman. So, 7-Eleven is just near our hotel. So, we're staying in Hotel Ordinary. Super walking distance lang. Mga 1 minute or wala pang 1 minute. So, I got this one-time milk tea and then the bacon burger na beef cheeseburger. So, masarap daw sabi ni June. Good morning! It's day, what day? What day?
Day 4 or 5.
It's our day 4 or 5. So, no, it's our, what's 15, 16? Yeah, it's our day 5. So, ngayon, medyo mas late na kami lumabas kasi napagod na kami kakashop. So, it's food trip day! Chinatown day. Chinatown and then George's Fair. Chinatown for lunch. And then George's Fair for dinner. Food trip kami. Yep. Food trip kami. Tsaka coffee. Let's go!
Diba? And enter. Hindi tayo papapapakasan.
Puro stairs po kami kahit may escalator. Baka hirap daw muna kami ngayon kasi baka mawala kami. Pero we're on the right side naman. Makakapagod lang.
lang.
Alam mo, pareho lang o. Ayun yung escalator talaga naman.
Makasan? Where's the entrance? Here.
So, we're waiting for our train one. Ay,
Sa papuntang Anonas Station.
so, hindi namin pinagplanuhan yung outfit namin sa Honolulu. Hindi na lang namin na-realize na mag-Chinatown kami sa susunod. Kaso, parang wrong choice kasi ang init, tapos naka-black kami. But let's see for the biggest ganda. Okay, so we are in Makasan Station. So mag-ride pa kami ng isa pa.
Lilipat ng train.
Going to where?
Chinatown.
Going to
Pechaburi to Chinatown.
Oh, so yun. Pechaburi to China. So okay, mag-stairs na naman po kami. Pero okay lang, kasi pababa naman. So ganito rin kataas yung ina-upload namin kahit merong isa late. Ano? Ayun na si Gab. Siya na yung bumili ng tickets for us.
สถานแปดในกรอบสีเหลืองนะคะ
Import beer if you're not sure that you like house beer. If you're sure I have the local bean, sour, not sour, we import.
Okay.
Có khoai à? Ngoài bỏ mấy cái Sarap. May fruity flavor. Sarap. Di ko ma-explain. Sarap.
Kahit yung pala.
Oh, sarap. Diba? It tastes na fruity.
Oo. Pero mataas na lang.
Sarap.
So we are
Station.
Pechaburi Station.
Between 3 and 5.
Judge Fair. Anong station?
Prarap.
Prara muna eh. So hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi
Pulas at pagod.
pulas at pagod. Tapos natulog ako kanina dun sa Mother Roast. So, ang sarap ng tulog ko dun. Tapos masarap din yung coffee nila. So, I'll do a separate video for that. Super good. It's sobrang low-key. And, basta maganda. Madaming art. Kaya, kakain na naman kami. Dahil gusto niya mag-food trip. to John's Fair. Sumuba kami ng Praram. So we are here at John's Fair. So 4 p.m. sila nag-open. So super sakto lang kami. So since today is something na gusto lang nila for, you know, some food trip. Kasi nag-shopping na kami for how many days. So yeah, time to savor the Thai food. So we got the Thai cake. So this is durian. Let's taste it.
Lasang durian.
Sarap naman, pero hindi super strong yung durian. Next, pandan. So we got just 2 pieces of durian para lang matikman. And then pandan na yung durian. So it's 8 pieces, 60 baht. Good. Naintriga ako sa lasa kasi tayo sa ang sulok, nakikita ko siya. So, tinry na namin. So, this is for 20 baht. So, kuha kami ng 100 baht. Meron ko lang 10, 15, 20. Sarap. Hap, no? Mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice. So every time may nakikita kami nito, bumibili kami. Ang sarap talaga. Wala pa kami nakakain so far na maasim na mangga. Tapos sobrang crunchy na mangga. At ang weird kasi, dito mas malaki yung mangga kaysa sa kanin. Mas madaming mangga kaysa sa kanin. Sa Pilipinas, mas konti yung mangga. Madaling kanin.